YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. And yes, it's all about my Allure Beauty box this month. So if you want to see what I got from Allure Beauty for the month of December, stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. I'm super excited. I just received my Allure Beauty box. And if you guys do not know, I have been getting this subscription, but they were always giving it to me a month or two behind. So I closed my subscription and I opened a new one. So I'm excited to see if I got December's box. December's Allure Beauty box in my hand for this month. I'm super excited. So if you do not know what Allure Beauty is a monthly subscription. It's $15 a month, and you get 6 or so beauty products. Some are full size, some are travel size, so you never know what you might get in here. And it's beauty products, anything pertaining to skin and makeup, and it values up to $60 to $90, and you're only paying $50 a month. Okay, so yes, and if it's your first time signing up, your first box is only $10. Not bad. If you're a beauty lover like me, this is a perfect box for you. So I'm excited to see if I got this month's box, or is it November's. So let's get started. So let's open the box. And it comes with a little pamphlet that tells you about the products and so forth. I don't never read this unless I have to. And then this is the little, it's like wrapped in some paper. And boom, 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 boom. So as I look now, it looks like I got November's box. So even though I closed my subscription and started again, they're still sending the box a month late. So, I'm gonna have to talk with them and see what's going on. And yeah, I'm gonna contact the customer service. And yeah, but let's see what we got for. Well, what I got for December, which everybody else got for November. And first up we have, this is by Freeze 24/7. It's an anti-aging eye serum. Ooh. Helps reduce puffiness, fine lines, dark circles, and other signs of aging around the eye area. So I do like eye serums because, you know, getting older, you know, we want to take care of them eyes. Alright, so I'm definitely going to try this out. That's one thing I like about this box. You get a lot of goodies in here, okay? Alright, and next up, this is by Peter Thomas Roth. It's the Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. It says it's 30% hyaluronic acid, complex draws, atmospheric vapor, helps lock in hydration for up to 72 hours. And it says it's for all skin types. So this is it right here, and I've used some of Peter Thomas's products and I like them, so I'm excited to try this out. And you know your girl loves some hyaluronic acid, okay? Keep that skin nice and plump and youthful looking. This is a nice thing to have. So second, this is from Tarte. This is the Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash Lipstick High Performance Natural, and this is in Boardwalk. So let me show y'all the case. Very pretty, definitely me. I love those colors, and this is the shade I got, is in Boardwalk, so I'm excited to check it out. So let's see. Ooh, I love the lipstick tube. It's super cute. Ooh, it's a nice brown. Let's do this. Ooh, it's a nice brown. I'm gonna break out my mirror because I'm gonna put some on right now. And my Jeffree Star mirror is upstairs in my vanity. So I do have some lipstick on already, but it's nude. So I can put this right on top. It's perfect. It blends perfectly in with my lip liner, which I'm wearing the ColourPop BFF3. Okay. And that matches perfectly. And I am like a nude, like every day, like going to work and all that, I'm a nudes gal. So yes. I like this. Very, very cute. Put my mirror up. Okay, let's get back in this. Next up, this is by e.l.f. This is the Poreless Putty Primer. It's the Universal Sheer. And I already own one of these. I have not used it yet. So I might be doing a video on that to give you guys my thoughts, because this is supposed to be a dupe for the Tarte primer. Putty primer, and so I haven't used it yet, but I do have this already, so this is going to go in a giveaway box for one of you guys. Okay, and then next up, this is by Bliss. It's That's Incredipeel. So it's spa strength glyconic resurfacing patch to smooth and brighten, and it contains 10% glycolic acid, and it's 5 pads in here. Now, y'all know, if you have not watched my channel, or if you already, you know, you're oldie but a goodie, you know that I love doing chemical peels and facials, because you know, we got to take care of our canvas, boo. I do like doing chemical peels, and a glycolic acid chemical peel is not invasive. It's something you could do at home. You can put makeup on and stuff the next day, the same day even. So I'm definitely excited to try these out and see how they do. And last but not least, this is by Curology. It's the Queen Sweep. It says way more than a cleanser. So, I'm excited to try this out and see what it does, because I've been hearing about Curology. I've never actually partaked in Curology, but it is, from my understanding, it is a company that will formulate skincare products for your own skincare needs, and try those out. I've never really had to do this, because if you guys don't know, I'm not sure if I mentioned it on my channel, I do have my own skincare line. I make my own products. I just like testing things out, and of course you can't go wrong with exfoliating and, you know, some serums and peels and so forth. So I definitely tend to use more of my own products and test out other products. If I like a certain product, I might use it more often, and just kind of, you know, go based off of my own needs. But this is definitely perfect for somebody that is not too sure what they need and starting out or anything of that nature. So I think this is really, really cute. A really, really cute box. I like the packaging. So let me open it up and see what this looks like. Okay. Queen Sleep says this is a part of a 3-step. So if it's part of a 3-step, why don't I have the other 2 steps? But alright, so am I going to really get the full effect? Especially when it says clearly on here, part of a 3-step Curology set. So, it says massage on a damp face and neck using morning and night. So, we'll see. Let's see what it smells like. Nice and sealed. We like that. Still tight. Doesn't have no smell. Doesn't even smell cleansery, like, you know how most facial cleansers, and it's a little thick. It's not like, it's got some slack going, but it's not super thick and it's not super wet. It's foaming up. It's turning white on my hand. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it is foaming up a little bit. So, okay, we're going to test that out, and I don't smell anything at all. But that's everything that I got in my Allure Beauty box for this month of December. But I do believe this is November's box. But I am not complaining, because I did get some great items. But I will be contacting Allure and seeing about how we can fix this, because I tried to like trick the system and that didn't work. So but I hope you guys like this video. Comment down below, what do you like out of this haul? Do you get an Allure Beauty box? Do you get the correct box for the month? I am very pleased with everything that I got. I'm definitely loving these pads. I'm definitely going to try these out, and hyaluronic acid. Cannot beat that. And definitely eye serum. Boo. Come on now. Definitely a great one. And this lipstick color. Super cute, and I am loving it. So yes, definitely loving it. And I'm going to try this out and see how it does and if I even like it. But we'll go from there. But yes, that's everything that I got in my box, and plus the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, which I have not tried yet, but I do own one already. So I'm going to put this in a giveaway box, okay? So I really do. If you guys like this video, if you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.